Look, if you don't pull the handbrake on a forklift, no matter how hard you try, you just can't hold it back. Forklifts are heavy, like really heavy, so their momentum is huge. Whether it's rolling into a car, truck tires, or even a patch of sea, it just goes for it without a second thought. And right now, yeah, it's already had a nice seawater bath. To get it out, you might need a crane. Some forklift drivers think, I stopped, so no handbrake needed. Well, guess what? Can't avoid stupid coworkers. Like this case. Do you really think you didn't have to pay for it? Think again. Plus, when you drive the forklift onto a truck, you'd better pull that handbrake. Otherwise, the truck's acceleration or braking can easily make the forklift slide forward or backward. Even if you're just stepping away for a few seconds, don't fool yourself into thinking it's safe not to use the handbrake. At this moment, the forklift's like a silent killer, so quiet that even the driver doesn't notice it. Lucky no one was standing in front of your forklift, huh? Here comes the whole process of the tire bomb. Seriously, don't let this careless habit get you fired. Who do you think needs to see this video? Share it with them. And follow us for more tips on forklift safety.